Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Apple Pay hold near reader not working issue on iPhone. So guys, if the Apple Pay hold near reader is not working on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply make it sure that you are using the updated version of software on your device. So guys, for that open settings and then scroll it below and go to general, then go to software update and update your software to the latest version. So guys, if there is any update available like this, you have to simply update your device to the latest version, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution, that is you have to simply remove the case of your Apple device. So guys, you have to simply remove the case of your Apple device, and after this check if the problem is solved or not. And if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution, that is you have to simply force restart your device for one time. So guys, for that, press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device restarts. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution, that is you have to simply remove and re-add your card in wallet settings. So guys, you have to simply go to wallet and then you have to simply remove your card for one time and add it again to your device. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply go to support app, and from here you can get any kind of help regarding this issue from the Apple support team. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.